Namaste, good afternoon. I have here with me a very distinguished guest, Dr. Sandip B. Bharate. He's a Senior Principal Scientist and HOD, Natural Products and Medicinal Chemistry, CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu, India. Sir, thank you so much for coming all the way from Jammu to Patanjali, Haridwar to grace this event. I think we are very honored to have you with us. So how do you find the event so far?
So it is a very good event. I think this is a nice initiative taken by Patanjali Institute, and I can see that this is a third version of this
Yes.
plants to patients. I think this is very important because we know that these medicinal plants are working very nicely. There is a traditional knowledge is there, but there is a need of scientific validation, and that is the reason I think in the last 5 years this institute is established in 2017. I have seen that. So already a lot of work has been done by Dr. Vashne. He has done a tremendous job. More than 200 to 300 publications are there. A lot of biology on the scientific validation already done by the MCP team. So now one step he has to go further, I think, to go to the phytopharmaceutical guidelines. So that these products, whatever go to the market, they will be labeled as a phytopharmaceuticals and they will be prescribed by these doctors, medicinal. So they will be well accepted by the community, and that is, I think, next step for the Patanjali.
Yeah. So have you visited PRI, the laboratories and the
No.
Okay, we would love to bring you there so that you can have a look at all the facilities that we have. And then, okay, so based on what you have known, but based on the presentation, so what would be your advice to PRI as we continue merging this traditional medicine and then having some science together as a backup? So in the next 5 years, how do you see us progressing and what advice would you give to us?
So my suggestion, I can see that Patanjali PRI is working on multiple plants and multiple therapeutic areas. So this working on multiple plants and multiple therapies is good, always good. So you are taking care of the all type patients. But to move in the right direction towards the modern medicine, because you have to compete with those allopathic medicines.
Yeah.
People know that these herbal medicines are very important, but they are not primary medication. They are using as alternative medicine. So to make this herbal medicine as a primary medication, you have to compete with that. So Patanjali PRI has to focus on particular 2-3 medicinal plants and 2-3 therapeutic indications. So few products can move in that direction. So they will build up the experience, confidence that they can go to the regulators by this DCGI and they can do the clinical trials proper like the allopathic medicines and they can reach to the market. And Patanjali has the capability to launch the product as early as possible. I've seen in the COVID time also.
Yeah, that's a very good advice, very encouraging for us as well as we move forward in the near future. So sir, one last question. Just give one line about Patanjali Research Institute.
Excellent atmosphere here. I can see the energy here. In morning session was extremely wonderful.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you sir. Thank you for coming all the way from Jammu to grace this event and we hope you enjoy yourself for the rest of the conference. Namaste sir.
Namaste. Thank you.